Hello guys, I will introduce this one cotton wool to you. This one is our 147 series visible cotton wool. The inside and outside you can see this frame. The profile thickness is 3 millimeters and the surface color is black color. We also can make a white color, black color, wooden color, etc. The glass you can see is double clear tempered glass. The thickness of the glass is 6 millimeters and it is clear. We also can make the reflective glass, tinted glass, and low-E glass, etc. So the glass we can customize according to your requirement. And the hardware you can see, this one is the awning window. And the hardware is the handle and the friction stay on both sides. And you can see this side is open and closed. So the visible cotton wool we can make the open design and the fixed design. So this cotton wool we usually install to the hospital, school, and the office building. If you're interested in this one, please contact us. Thank you.